Hello. Now, I know this is a little bit, I've literally only just finished the video a couple of days ago, but I had an inkling that this might be something to do with the last video. So, normally I have a couple of days off and I do all my housework and I sort all my children, anything that I have put to one side, because it's pretty full on doing the videos. So I normally sort of catch up on everything I've put to one side while I've been working. But as soon as, well, I'll tell you, I'll open this and then I'll tell you. So we are on day 23. We are nearly there. So close. So if you watched the last video, we made this beautiful, pretty fairy. And the hair's getting a bit, I keep moving around and the hair's getting a little bit squished, but it's okay. I did curl her hair, but it's getting a little bit flat because I keep moving her. So I might sort of put her hair back in a little pin or something. So, we made her, and let's keep her there while I open this. So we've got day 23. And if you have watched all my videos, I'm so grateful, you are amazing. I'm so grateful for everybody's support. I know it doesn't take anybody else anywhere near this long to open an advent calendar, but it's like, it's fabulous. I love it because it's just the gift that keeps on giving. I think it's amazing. So, oh look, now I know it's not Christmas anymore, but how cute is that? So I'm going to keep that in my little drawer by my desk, and in the 1st of December I'm going to stand him up on my desk because that is adorable. So I've got some little bits here that I put my things around me that make me smile, and I've got my little hair that my daughter bought me when we went on holiday. So I'm going to put that in my little drawer and then put my hair back up. There we go. Right, so in here, you can't really see the sparkle, but my lights are glaring. So let me see if I can. Right, the battery's about to go on my camera. I'll swap it over. Right, I'm probably going to regret. These are, is it Angelina Fibres they're called? Just look at the sparkle on those. Unbelievable. So, when I did my fairy, I showed my son. He loves looking at the things I make. And he kept walking past me when I was making. And he said, he asks what Mummy's making. And I said, I'm making a fairy. So when I finished, came in and I said, oh look baby, Mummy's finished a fairy. And he said, but fairies have wings. I said, oh. He said, it's got no wings, so it can't be a fairy. And I said, I said, well, not all fairies have wings. He said, yes, all fairies have wings, so it can't be a fairy. I said, well, it's a woodland fairy. I said, but it's not a fairy. So I was a bit flat after that. I was like, oh, but it's pretty. And he said, yes, but it's not a fairy. So where I looked to the next video, as I do, to see what we're doing next, and then these pop up, and Philippa says that if we would like, we can make some wings to go with that fairy. So initially I thought, oh, she doesn't need wings, she's beautiful. And I thought, no, my son says that it's not a fairy unless I make some wings. So I thought I'd have a brainstorm and see what, because Philippa did do some pretty wings, and at the beginning I thought, I don't know whether she really needs wings, or what kind of wings will go with her. So I'm going to get out my bits and pieces and show you the brainstorming I've done and show you what I thought and see what you think. So back in a minute. Okay, so I'll brainstorm with you. I'll tell you my idea. So this is the fibres. I want to pull them all out, but I don't want them to go everywhere. But I hope you can see they are already falling out, the sparkliness of them. They are absolutely beautiful. And although I'm not sure whether they would just, so I'm not sure, they do look pretty, but I'm not sure about sort of doing just the sparkly wings, although they did look really pretty when she did them. So, this was a fibre we got, I can't remember what day it was. It feels like it was forever ago, so I can't remember what day, but it's really pretty, and I think this is the one Philippa said we could use. I think this was the one. And some people might have done wings. I haven't seen any spoilers, remember, so I don't know. And I've no idea what other wings people did. So I think this is the one that Philippa said we could use, or suggested we use. But I had this. Now, the camera's not picking up. There's so many different little colours in there, like different speckle. Now, I had this in a, you know, World of Wool do those tubes. Words escape me today. I know what they're called, but I can't think of them. You know, you can buy, when you get an order, you have a option to buy one of these tubes, and it's a surprise. Well, when I ordered one of these, and I can't remember, I will try, but it was a long time ago, and this came in, so I don't know what the fibres are, and there's lots of little teeny light whites and creams in there. And I thought, oh, I have not used this, and this is a perfect opportunity. And I didn't want to do much colour. And then I thought, what about if I use this as the base, a teeny bit of this for the colour, and then a little bit of this. But I wanted the wing to be quite thin. And I've made my own felt sheets before. And I'm not going to show you how I did it because I'm not very good at it. And I don't think I should be showing a technique that I'm not very good at. If anybody else is really good, they can give me some pointers. So, I did a base of sort of just a generic carded white wool fibre, and then I did some of this on top, and some of these fibres in the middle, and then some more of this, and it came out like this. So it's not very thick, so it's got, I don't know if you can see it very well, so it's got, I hope that camera's picking it up. Through my viewfinder it looks really dull, but it is light and pretty. I don't know whether you can, I don't know if the camera's and the light's picking it up, but it does look pretty. Now, I haven't as yet put the Angelina Fibres on. I'm going to put just a few. I'm going to sort of sprinkle on the top, and then I'm going to iron them on because I only want a few. And then that's my template. And I'm going to obviously do that twice. I haven't thought about how I'm going to connect it in the middle. I haven't got that far yet. I could sew it on with some embroidery thread. Oh, we've got a helicopter. I could felt it on. I don't really know. I think it depends on how strong this comes out, or how floppy. If they come out really floppy, I'm not quite sure how I'm going to combat that. I'll just have to see. I'm hoping, because this is sort of, it's not too floppy. I don't know. I'll have to see how it comes out after I've ironed it. Because I'm hoping once I've ironed this, it will be like, because when I've made leaves before, when I've ironed them and compressed this, it's been like a bit more sturdy. So I'll have to see. But that's the plan. Things don't always go according to plan. Oh, with me. So we'll have to see. So that's the plan. Then we'll have to see what the actual outcome is. So I'll I'll go and put some. I'll get my iron. I know Philippa used some paper, some parchment paper. So I'll use that so that I don't put the iron onto this. And I'll see. I'll come back before I cut it out, and we'll have a look. I'm a little bit nervous. In fact, I'm very nervous. Yeah, back in a minute. Okay, so I ironed it. So this went flat, and then I ironed a few of the Angelina Fibres on there. Now, obviously, they didn't stick to the fibre, to the wool, so, because they're meant to stick to each other, not the fibres. So I've had a go, and some of them have stuck down. I've used something to stick them down. I won't say what it is as yet, in case it's an absolute total fail and I don't want somebody else to go out and buy it, in case it works and it doesn't, because I don't want you to waste your money. So if it's a success and it stays on, it's not great, because some of it is coming up, but some of it in places is stuck down. If it is a success and it does work, in a later video I will tell you what it is and that it has stuck. If it all comes off, then I'll have to stick it back on with something else. But for the moment, some of it has stuck. So now I'm going to lay my things on and cut them out. And we are done. Well, I think. I've sewn them on. I was going to do it in red thread, and I was going to put a little handmade with love button. However, as I started to sew on the back, she's got a little bit I need to I need to re-fluff her a little bit. As I started sewing it on the back, I think my needle was a little bit big. I could have done, but I didn't have, I didn't have my smaller needle with out at the time, and once I'd started, I couldn't really stop. So, in hindsight, tinier needle. Now, they look really pretty. This piece of hair, I'm not sure, should be in the centre, but when I pull it to the side, it looks a bit, so I don't know where this sort of piece of, they're very sparkly on the back, but now at the front, they're not quite as sparkly. So, things I would do differently, I would sparkle both sides. I would sort of sparkle both sides of the fibre if I did it again. I didn't realise until I put it on, and I thought, oh, perhaps I put it on the wrong way, and then I thought, no, because then when you turn around you won't see the sparkle. So yes, I should have done both sides really. And then this piece of hair is a little bit, I don't know where it's supposed to go really, either side. So perhaps her hair is a bit voluptuous for, you know, I've not done it before, so. But they look sweet, they look cute. I have a feeling my dog is just about to start barking. So, let me just move that. I do like her, I do like them. I think the fibres are, I've never used them before, I think they're a fantastic idea to add. And I think it's something that you, in adding them, people can really get creative, and it certainly stretched my imagination. It certainly gave me something to really play with, and I'm really glad that I've done it. They're sticking for the moment. Whether they're going to pop off, they're sticking to the fibre for the moment. So if they work and they're successful, I'll do a video on how I did them. I don't tend to do that because I'm not that confident yet about my ability. I'm learning, very much learning. But if I do a couple more and it works, then I'll share how they did them. But it definitely won't be a, look at me, how fabulous I've done them. It will just be, oh, I found something that worked. Have a look. Because I'm definitely not confident enough in my abilities as yet to, to teach you things, because, yeah, I'm very much learning and very grateful for the help that people are giving me. So, if they stay on, I'll show you how. Oh, but I love it. I think it's a fantastic addition. I think she looks sweet and pretty, and now my son thinks it's a fairy because it's got wings. So thank you, Philippa, I now have a fairy. It's an official fairy, it now has got wings. But I love her. Thanks guys for watching, take care, and we'll have a look at the next bag soon. See you soon, bye bye.